Welcome back, Jaguars. Okay, it's Miss Pridmore, and we are doing grade 2, module 7, lesson 13, the problem set. And it says, Josephine has 3 nickels, 4 dimes, and 12 pennies. Her mother gives her 1 coin. Now Josephine has 92 cents. What coin did her mother give her? Okay, and our directions here say solve with a tape diagram and number sentence. So let's take a look at this question in depth, okay? First thing we want to do, she has 3 nickels, 4 dimes, 12 pennies. So we know that nickels are 5 cents. We know that dimes are 10 cents and pennies are 1 cent. We don't know what this coin is that Mom gave her, but we do know there's only 1 of them, okay? Now, we know at the end, Josephine is going to have 92 cents. So in order to solve for this question mark, for the coin that Mom got, we need to know how much these coins are all together, what their value is, and then subtract this number from 92 cents, our total. Okay, so let's get into this. Let me adjust my camera here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is draw my 3 nickels. Now my 4 dimes. And then I'm not going to draw out 12 pennies because I know that 12 pennies, since they're each 1 cent, I know that 12 pennies is going to be 12. So I'm just going to put 12 cents. Now there's not a coin that's 12 cents. This is me understanding that there are 12 pennies all together. Make sense? Okay, here we go. So let's start counting by 5s first. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so we started at 5, then we did 10, 15. Now some of my friends were having trouble skip counting from 15 by 10s. Here's how I would do that if you were having trouble with it. I would go 5, 10, leave this one out for now. Count on by 10s, and then we'll come back and add 5. Watch, I'll show you. So 5, 10, now we're going to count by 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Let's do that again just to make sure everybody understood. So we have 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Okay, so without the pennies, we have 55 cents. Now, I need to add those 12 pennies, and I'm going to do it using arrow way. I'm going to separate 12 into 10 and 2. So 55 plus 10 is 65, plus 2 more is 67. I forgot to put the plus sign here. So I'm at 67 cents, right? Okay, now I need to know how much more I need to make 92 cents, okay? And that's going to give me my answer. Now, boys and girls, I already have a clue. You want to know why? Because Mom gave her 1 coin. So I have 3 options right here. If she gave her 1 penny, how much would that be? 68 cents. That's not 92 cents. If she gave her 1 dime, how much would this be? 77 cents. So that can't be right either. If Mom gave her 1 nickel, how much would that be? Well, if you don't know, let's just count on from 67, right? So we have 67. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Well, 72 is close, but it's not 92, is it? So what coin do you think Mom gave her? Me too. I think she gave her a quarter. But let's make sure, and let's make our tape diagram to be sure, right? Okay, so our total is 92 cents, right? So I'm going to make 92 as the total, and I'm going to write my total above the piece of tape right now. Now my part that I know, which is all of the coins together, is 67, okay? So 67 is a little more than half of 92, right? So I'm going to make my 67, if this is the halfway mark, I'm going to make 67 about right here, okay? So here's my tape diagram. You're going to have to bear with me because I'm holding the camera so you get a good angle. This is a terrible looking piece of tape, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be pretty, right? So 67 cents is here, and we need to solve for this amount. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, there's a few ways we could do it, but I'm just going to do plain old vertical subtraction. Oops. 92 minus 67. Okay, can I take 7 from 2? No. So I'm going to have to unbundle a 10. I bring that over to the ones, and now I have 12 ones. 12 minus 7 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. So Mom gave Josephine 1/4. Okay, great. Okay, so let's move on to number 3. Miss Primore is going to skip number 2. If you're in my class, you can go ahead and skip number 2 today as well. Happy Friday! If you're in someone else's class, they may want you to do number 2. Okay, so number 3. Isaiah started with 2 $20 bills, 4 $10 bills, 1 $5 bill, and 7 $1 bills. He spent $73 on clothes. How much money does he have left? Wow, okay. So the first thing we need to do is solve for what we have, right? So he has 2 $20 bills. How much are 2 20s? 2 20s are going to be $40, right? How much are 4 10s? Right, $40. How much is 1 5? $5, right? And 7 ones. How much are 7 ones? $7, right? Okay, so we need to add 40 plus 40 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, not a problem. So I'm going to do 40 plus 40 plus 5 plus 7. Now I can make this a little simpler for myself by adding 2 numbers at a time. 40 and 40 is 80, 5 and 7 is 12, and now I just have to add 80 plus 12, which I know is 92. So if he's had $92 and he spent $73, how much money does he have left? So now, because the directions said to make a tape diagram in a number sentence, I'm going to need to draw my tape diagram to follow the directions. So let me set my iPod up here. There we go. Okay, so we're going to make our 92 as our whole. And then 73 is how much we spent, and that's more than half, right? So I'm going to make my 73 here. And then we're not sure how much money he has left. So this represents the amount that he has left. Okay, now all I need to do is either I have to start at 73 and count on till I get to this full 92, or I can subtract 73 from 92, one or the other, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna start arrow way because I see a trick. Do you see it? Okay, so if we want to make 73 a friendly number, for us, for this problem, we can take one away and now our ones column would match the whole. Okay, so 73, take away 1 is going to give us 72. Now we will need to add that back, right? Okay, so keep that in your mind. Now, what do I need to do? Right, now I'm going to add on until I get to 92. So plus 10 would give me 82, and plus another 10 would give me 92. So far, how much have I added? I've added 20, but then I also have to do what? Take 1 away. So 20 minus 1 is going to give me how much? 19. Do you see that? Okay, so 73 plus 19 equals 92. So how much money does he have left, guys? He has $92 left. So if I wanted to make an answer statement, which it doesn't say you have to, but if I wanted to, I would say he has $92 left. Can you see the word left over here? Yeah, Miss Pridmore makes it a big deal to find all the words that we need from the question. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Miss Pridmore is going to skip number 4 and I'm going to do number 5 for you. Akio found 18 cents in his pocket. He found 6 more coins in his other pocket. Circle the word coins. Now put a question mark. We don't know what those coins are, right? So we don't know what their value is. Altogether, he has 73 cents. What were the 6 coins he found in his other pocket? Okay, wow. So here, we don't know what his coins were, but we do know the value was 18 cents, right? Over here, we don't know what the value is because we don't know which 6 coins he found, right? He might have found 6 pennies and that would only be 6 cents. But if he found 6 dimes, that would be 60 cents. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? Well, we can set up an equation, 18 cents that he found in his pocket, plus, we're not really sure, equals 73. Okay, so if 73 is our whole, $18 is not even half of that, right? So 18 is right here. We need to solve for this piece, right? And then we need to find out how we can break that up into 6 coins. Okay, so first thing we want to do is solve for the value that he found in his other pocket, right? I'm going to use vertical subtraction to solve this. Okay, so 73 take away 18. Can I take 8 from 3? No. So I'm going to have to unbundle a 10, bring it over to the ones column, Now 13 minus 8 is going to give me how much? 6. Good. Wrong. 13 minus 8 is going to give me how much? 5. Good job. You caught yourselves. 6 minus 1 is going to give me how much? 5. 55 cents. Now, are we done right now? No, we know what the value of these 6 coins were all together, but we don't know which 6 coins he had, right? Now, let's see. Do you notice anything? I notice because 50 would be 5 tens. What coin would give you 5 tens? Right, 5 dimes, right? So if we drew 5 dimes, we'll have 5 coins and 50 cents. How much will we still have left? 5 cents, right? So now, what would be our 6th coin? What equals 5 cents? That's right, 1 nickel. So the 6 coins he found were 5 dimes and 1 nickel. Okay, boys and girls, in Miss Pridmore's class, I'm going to leave you to do number 6 by yourself and then finish your exit ticket and turn it in to me. Great job, Jaguars. Have a good day.